Flexifoil Buzz is a fantastic kite. Not only is it suitable for beginners, it's also great for more experienced flyers. It packs down really small and can be carried easily in a rucksack or in any side compartment for most motorcycles, as you can see in our video. This kite, unlike many others, comes completely ready to fly. So all you have to do once unpacked is unravel the lines from the spool and launch. No connecting handles, no connecting straps, no connecting a control bar, and no connecting fiddly bridle lines. Simply launch the kite, providing there's wind. This particular kite is incredibly stable for its size and very responsive on the controls. Not only that, we've heard some brilliant rumours of its strength, having people crash it numerous times into the ground and not a single report of a tear, rip, burst or anything else. If you're on the lookout for a kite that packs a little bit of a punch, is great fun and takes up no space in your luggage whatsoever, the Flexifoil Buzz is the one for you.